So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing a eating and drinking with no hands challenge. I'm nervous. So the aim of the game is to say who are gonna finish eat first and who are gonna drink the water first. If we can even accomplish that, this fun. I don't know. I'm nervous. Something I don't know. Alright, so without further ado, guys, let's get into the challenge. Don't tease me no. Don't tease me when I laugh. Oh my god. Alright. So let's get the challenge going. Alright, so after 3, 1, 2. No thief! Wait. Why am I nervous? Jesus. Alright, after 3, 1, put it back.
Another way.
Don't play me now. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Ready? This is not a record. Ah! Put my ass. Ooh. No. Man like this. Wait. Oh. You can't take another game. What's your name now? Stop running for me now. Try it done. Yeah, cheat the game done. Else I'm not gonna use my hand. Alright, I'm done. I think that's so bad. Mama! Wait now! Wait. You got crime. You're not winning. No, my teeth.
My baby.
My teeth.
Me don't touch it.
Wait there. I nearly choke. Wait there. Just cry.
Wait.
Oh.
Plus my braces up soon.
I know some just get braces, but I remember what 4 days. But 4 days ago, I mean I said, alright then at least I know the braces them for them teeth, I got slow him down. True boy so crazy because I'm nothing I'm still win the damn challenge. I'm upset. Got to
I never did that.
you keep you just push me, we're not done.
I will shoot my butt.
Come. Water challenge. No sir. I'm tired.
They miss some too.
I'm tired. No, I can't wait for the table after. I'm tired. Jesus. No sir. Alright. Water challenge now guys. So what I had here about me too, you know. Alright, ready back. Make sure move this out of my way. Like this is not a record, you know. Alright. So yeah. After 3, remember, You can't touch the bottle. We're gonna see who can drink the most water. So after 3, 1, 2. You look a bit nasty, though. 1, 2. Alright. 1, 2. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Come.
That's not nothing.
Wait a minute. You can't try to the water. Just hold on the way. Chop. Wait. I'm nearly sure.
Hey!
Wait.
Hey, you're trying to.
Wait enough. You can see it. They're not winning.
Yeah, show me what.
You're not winning. Me give up. Alright. Jesus Christ. Look how much my joy. I can't do this. I'm tired. Mighty God. I don't like this for myself. Watch him. Alright. Guys, I know I'm that with you know. I know this never gonna work out for me. I know I can't do this. But I was still trying to attempt it. Oh my God. I was hoping for a miracle. You see, if you just look a bit uncraver. I don't like this. I'm gonna do a do over. I find my next challenge for do because I have to win. You can't just win everything, so because you look a bit uncraver. Jesus, I feel bad me eat the food too fast. So when we make a bet like if you win, you get $100 something. I'm going to never do that. Jesus. Alright guys, I promise you know. I'm gonna plan a next challenge. Something unusual because sometimes I don't really post because I don't have the time, and the next time like I'm not gonna post more and make sure so when I post is fun. Y'all are gonna want to make sure so when I post is fun, you're gonna like it and stuff like that. Sometimes I try to talk for accommodate other people, like other people watch my channel and thing, but listen to me, the Jamaican just in a bit of can't come out. I'm sorry. So yeah. Sometimes I don't want to be posting just to be posting. I want to ensure that what I'm posting is fun. Even though yeah, sometimes not everything I'm gonna make on a laugh, but just say, and other times I'm busy. So yeah, I don't feel good about this. I feel like more do over. I'm not making no promises. I might do a part 2 because I'm not accept this. Your teeth, you know, you push me.
You push me, bro.
Look how much my jaw in the water.
You push me.
Your teeth.
You push me.
Yes, I look at teeth.
You push me, bro.
I never push you back. Yes, I look at teeth. But guys, I hope you enjoyed
You push me, bro.
the challenge. You say what at the place? I hope you enjoyed the challenge. I have to clean up the place.
You spit over water.
You have to clean up the place. You clean up the place. You clean up the place.
No, clean up.
Oh, when I look at the camera, I'm gonna find out that you are my mother. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the channel. Why I keep saying channel, I hope you enjoyed the challenge and have a great rest of your day. Today is my day off, so I'm gonna be sleeping. Yeah, unwind and stuff like that. Even though I have the schoolwork to do, so yeah. But I sleep up most of the day. Relax, so I can't ready back for work tomorrow again. Have a great day, guys.